Okay, this tutorial is the next section called Factoring Out a Common Binomial Factor. And so sometimes the greatest common factor is in terms of a binomial. This type is called a common binomial factor. You can factor out a common binomial the same way you can factor out a monomial factor. So the first type of problem is going to be 7x minus 3 in parentheses minus 2x x minus 3. And we can instantly see that the common terms here are x minus 3 and x minus 3. So if we were to pull that out to the front and say x minus 3, what's left over are the terms in front. And if we put those in the exact order in the new set of parentheses, we create a binomial. And this is nothing more than just the distribution method in reverse. Okay, so let me recap something real quick. If we were to have had this original problem, what we would do is take the x, multiply it by both, take the 3, multiply it by both, right? Same thing up here. We could have taken the 7, multiplied it by both, the negative 2x, multiplied it by both. You'd end up getting the same answer. Okay, so what we're doing here is basically just finding that common binomial factor, pulling it out, and what's left over will be my new factor term. Okay, so B, we have negative t squared plus 4 plus t squared plus 4. Okay, it's very important in problems like this that you remember there is an understood 1 right here. So if we take out the t squared plus 4, we pull that out to the front, what's left over is a negative t plus a 1. So you're going to take the resulting terms here and put those in the second set of parentheses. Okay, and so this would be our final answer. Okay, C, we have 9x, x plus 4, minus 5, 4 plus x. Now, with this type of problem, you can instantly see that x plus 4 and 4 plus x look extremely different. But in reality, these are the exact same expressions. This is the same thing as saying x plus 4 minus 5 times, and all we have to do is rearrange these, x plus 4. Now they're going to look identical. You don't have to do this step. Some of you are going to pick up on this automatically. But when we pull that out in front, you can see that both those terms are the same. We're left with 9x minus 5. Okay. Example D. And like I said, you may have to go back over these videos, and that's fine. Okay, you've got negative 3x squared. We have parentheses x plus 2 plus 4x minus 7. Okay, is there any common factor? Is there an x squared? Is there an x plus 2 or an x minus 7? No. There's no common factors here that can be pulled out. Even if we were to redistribute this and simplify, we would still have terms that don't have a variable term with it. Meaning, if I multiplied 4 times negative 7, I'd get negative 28. There's no x term there that I can pull out. And so, since there are no common factors, this cannot be factored. Okay, E are several mixed reviews, so if you want to pause it at this point, try E and F to go see if you can get the same answers that I do. I will go ahead and work them out, and then you can check your answers with me. You got 4s, s plus 6, minus 5s plus 6. Common factor there is s plus 6, so we're going to pull that out in front. What's left over is 4s minus 5. Okay, last example is f 7x, 2x plus 3, plus 2, 2x plus 3. And instantly you can see that this is the common number. So if we pull that out in front, What's left is 7x plus 2. Okay, and I believe that concludes this section.